All right, guys, I'm going to show you my setup for cleaning tile and showers with high pressure using my portable machine. Today, I'm not actually going to use the portable machine. I'm just using the high pressure. So anyway, here's my machine. It's a Power Flight. It's got a 500 PSI pump. I do have truck mounts also, but this is kind of my little setup. I had a video up before with this trailer. It's changed a little bit since then. But anyway, what I want to show you guys today is if you're running a portable, you can clean tile at however much PSI you want. And I'm going to show you how. I'll try to get a parts list together at some point. But this is my portable. I have a valve here with a float inside. If I'm going to use the portable for cleaning carpet, that really helps out. I don't have an auto dump out, so I still got to dump. So let's get to business here. This is a vacant house. I've done the Saltillo floors here in the past. We didn't strip them, we just cleaned them. But what we're doing today is we're going to do those again, clean and put some clear coat down, and we're going to clean a travertine shower. So what you see here, this is actually air hose. I've got a water spigot attachment for the water spigot. It goes to the same quick disconnect that we use on our carpet cleaning machines, so I can actually just use this one hose when I get to the shops, hook up to a water spigot and hook up a pressure wand and just clean all my equipment down. So you got a swivel here, more air hose. I can't remember how many feet I have. I made this little foot for it, and the hose reel, you can find these just about anywhere. I know I didn't pay a lot for that one. So then you run your air hose, which again, this one does not have a quick disconnect here. You don't really need it there. So just plumb that in properly. And I can run, this is the Floor Wash 5000. I'm going to be using that. Just kind of clean up the tile. Pretty long hose. And then get your electric pressure washer. You can bring it inside. You can use a gas pressure washer too. Just have it outside with a longer pressure hose. But all the attachments that I have here, I had to make this, and you can hook up same quick disconnect as what you use on your carpet cleaning machine. So this hose can actually hook directly to the portable as well. Standard pressure washer fittings on the end, quick disconnects. And then I have just I think I got this at Tractor Supply, and I've gone through a few of them over the years. But just get the short one and put your quick disconnect on for a pressure washer tip, and you can use this pressure wash all your grout lines. And the one I'm using today, it's 2300 PSI. Definitely gonna do some cleaning. You don't really want to get too much pressure, you'll start blowing grout out. Anyway guys, I hope this helps. If oh, and I'll tell you another thing. I know a lot of guys are gonna go, oh cool, I can just hook up to a hot water side on the washing machine. You can, but I have not, because I'm worried about the heat with the air hose. They're rated at 300 PSI, I believe. When they get warm, they can swell and makes me nervous. So I just run cold water. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions.